the best year ever.
Or no winner, baby. Let's go.
Hey!
Think I was born with the juice. Think I was born with the sauce. Think I was born a little crazy. Then I turned out to a boss. Gotta go and get it. I keep running up the
Got it. Benton's the worst at doing donuts.
It's still fighting it. Hold on.
All right, what up, Team Buckhouse? We're at Loveland Pass. We got about 4 inches of snow. There's some good snow here. We're gonna see what we can build and try to snowboard the first legit snowfall of the season. We got Cody, Benton, Sean's on that truck, and it's gonna be a great time. So let's head up to the spot. We got a rail, and we're just gonna send it.
Yeah.
Green rails. What up, dog?
It's Johnathan Buckhouse.
All right, guys, so because it's the first snowfall, there's like literally no coverage under the snow. There should be enough to ride, but we brought the rock snowboards. Never bring your brand new board out on a time like this. And let's go get this rail set up. Look at all this snow. She's a little rail. But the point is just to get on snow, guys. First legit snowfall of the season. This is technically start of season 6. I'm so excited. Hope you guys are too. We drove past A Basin and Keystone and it looked like they were about to open up, which is super exciting. Almost as exciting as today's sticker shout out. We got MJustMan 26 with the teal sticker on the helmet. Looking so sick, dude. As well as we got Avery is Hungry with the paint splatter sticker, guys. Thank you so much for snagging Evolution stickers. Guys, if you want to support this channel, all the adventures we're going to do this season, please consider snagging some of the merch. The hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, as well as the stickers are all linked in the description. If you do snag them, just tag me on my Instagram and I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs. Now, we got to build a kicker for this little, like, nothing much, but we got to get everything set up and then we're going to start ripping. So let's get into it. Look what I found. So Cody's throwing a little extra snow in the landing because that's what's gonna suffer the most. Like, we can build a kicker, we'll have a good run in, but when we land and then try to stop, that's when we're gonna scrape away all that snow. And then it's gonna be a little rough on the snowboards. So good job, Cody. Benton's gonna run in the jump, so he's gonna do a couple runs, kind of pack down the snow. So when we do hit this, we're good. And then we got a wobbly rail right here. I'm gonna do my best to try and pack snow underneath it and on top of it and try and get the rail to not be a little wobbly mess. So the last thing we gotta do before we hit this is rub some wax onto this rail. So we grinded down all of my rails and painted them this awesome green color. We're gonna have this whole backyard park set up this year. It's gonna be sick. That being said, we just ripped the tape off, so we gotta get some wax on this thing so it actually slides for us. Now, if you guys need wax for not only your snowboard, but for your rails or whatever, Pearl Wax is my wax sponsor. If you use their website, pearlwax.com, use code BUCK20, you'll save yourself 20% off all your waxing needs. They do have a wax starter kit, which is super sick. So once again, all of that, guys, is linked in the description. How's the landing look?
Looks landed.
Looks landed. All right, let's send it. All right, guys, it's working. The rails were sliding, you know, that's all that matters. And let's keep going.
low T syndrome.
All right, so these guys showed up with a sick rail and we decided to spice it up. We're gonna go rail to rail.
We get a shout out. What's good, YouTube?
Let's go.
Boarding all winter, baby.
Let's go. Oh, oh, hey! Hi, Cody. Dummy it. Oh, let's go. All right, this thing's looking pretty. I think she's ready to go. I just got so much more excited. All right, guys, if you're as stoked as this as I am, make sure you smash like right on Sean's face. And let's go. This might be the greatest idea we've ever had for this spot. We've come here year after year, rail to rail. Ooh, so fun. Ooh. Benton obviously wants to jump, so they're building a bush jump right now. How's it going? Got it. Yeah, Cody. Of course this dude backflips it first try. We expect nothing else. Can I hit your jump, Benton? Yeah. Let's give it a shot. Okay, now that we know what we're dealing with, we'll do a little better. I was a little scared to hit the bush jump, but Benton, backflip! Oh! That was so sick! Make sure you subscribe for the season, because Benton backflips a lot. And let's go! That was heavy, dude! Well, clearly I don't know how to hit a jump anymore, but that's fine. We're good with that cannonball. I thought today's session was insane. The rails felt so good. The bush jump. Forget the bush jump ever happened.
I'm gonna get the lip on it better. It'll be nice. Really.
But if you guys think this was sick and you're like, what? There's that much snow? You clearly aren't following my Instagram. So make sure you go follow my Instagram. It's where I post a bunch of bonus extra content. But it's also the best way to get the day-to-day content because we're gonna be so ahead on videos with Cody working with me this year. First ever Team Buckhouse employee. We're gonna be able to make so much content. So sometimes we'll be like on the East Coast, but we're posting videos from Colorado. It's gonna be, I don't know, it's gonna be totally different. So follow the Instagram just so you can stay up to date with all the bonus extra content and the backyard park too, because this is just one rail. This is our baby rail. We got some legit resort rails in the backyard park this year. Woo! What a session. What a session. Yeah.
Dude, what's up, man?
What's up? What's your name?
My name's Kel.
The truck filled with stuff. It looks good. Kuno. All right, guys, that's today's video. That is the start of season 6, first day on snow. Resorts are opening this weekend. Super excited. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. And as always, guys, thank you so much for shredding with us today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you tomorrow with another video.